The Woodrose is a 2-story home that makes a lasting first impression. With 4 architecturally distinct elevations, including one with stone, this plan combines curb appeal with flexibility that fits the way you live. Offering just over 3,000 square feet, the Woodrose features 4 to 6 bedrooms, 2.5 to 4 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. The ideal blend of space, style, and function. And it all starts with a covered front porch, a warm welcome that sets the tone for what's inside. Step through the door into a thoughtful layout. Bloomfield gives you options for how you live. Choose a formal dining room or a private study, whatever best suits your needs. At the heart of the home is an open concept kitchen with a spacious island, granite countertops, and custom cabinetry from Bloomfield's Element series. It flows effortlessly into a bright breakfast nook in a generously sized family room, perfect for gatherings or relaxed evenings at home. Downstairs, you also find the primary suite, offering a quiet retreat with oversized windows, an ensuite bathroom with a large shower, and a walk-in closet. You also have the option to add dual sinks and a garden tub, whatever fits your style. Upstairs, you'll find 3 secondary bedrooms and a large game room, a versatile hangout space that's tucked away but connected to everything. You can also add a media room for movie nights, game days, or extra lounging space. The Woodrose is flexible by design, with room for up to 6 bedrooms and 4 full baths, all thoughtfully arranged to match your lifestyle. Smart design, modern finishes, and space where it counts. The Woodrose proves that style and function can live beautifully under one roof. Visit one of our model homes or contact us to learn more about building this plan in a Bloomfield Homes community near you.